there's a special technique to cleaning your teeth when you have the braces, okay? So the most important thing to remember that even if you have a really good diet that's low in sugar, brushing your teeth is really important, okay? And that's because if you don't brush your teeth, we naturally end up with a layer of plaque on the teeth, okay? And the plaque can give you marks on the teeth, especially if you have braces, and these are white permanent marks or brown permanent marks called decalcification, okay? What can also happen is you can end up getting holes on your teeth and gum disease if you're not careful, okay? So it doesn't matter really what type of toothbrush you use, an electric or a manual. What's more important is the size of the head of the toothbrush, okay? So I always recommend a small or a medium-sized head so mom can get you one of those, okay? And the actual bristles come in different levels of hardness. I always recommend either a medium, okay, or a soft bristles, okay? You don't want to go for something hard because that can be quite damaging to your gum. And your dentist can recommend which one you should really use depending on the state of your gums, all right? So the first thing to do is to try and clean the gum line. Everyone always forgets the gum line, and the gum line is where plaque can get stuck and you can actually get marks on your teeth as well, okay? So what you do is you hold the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle, just like that, okay? And you go round and round in circles, and you make sure that you get in and clean that gum line, okay? All the way around. Now, if you get your fingernails and you feel above and below the brackets over there, can you see? Food can get stuck above and below the bracket, okay? So what you need to do now is once you've cleaned the gum line, you need to angle your toothbrush so you get in right below the bracket, all the way around, okay? And then you need to turn the toothbrush the other way around and clean the top of the bracket, all the way around, okay? Then once you're done doing that, you need to clean the face of the bracket. Then you need to go round and round in a small circular motion till everything is really nice and sparkly and silver, okay? Then after that, we have two more bits to do. We need to clean below the wire and the sides of the squares, okay? And we also need to clean in between the teeth, okay? So what I always recommend if you're going to be cleaning between the brackets and below the wires to use a green TP brush. So these come in different colors, okay? This is a really nice size. It's 0.8 millimeters, which means it's bushy enough to clean, okay? But small enough to get in between the brackets, okay? So you come in like that and you just gently brush the sides of the squares, okay? And now we've finished cleaning the teeth, okay? Also, don't forget to clean the inside of the teeth as well. That's really important, okay? And when you're cleaning the teeth at the front, you need to point the toothbrush downwards. And if you're cleaning the top teeth, you need to point the toothbrush upwards like that, okay? Now, you need to get in and actually clean in between the teeth. So there's two things you can use. You can use the pink TP brushes, which are small. You must never use the green ones because those are really big and you can actually damage the gums, okay? To actually physically go in and clean in between the teeth. Or you can get some of these, okay, if you like using floss, okay? If you try and use floss on its own, I think it's quite tricky, so you can always use a floss set to come in and clean in between, okay? And that's twice a day, every day.